The World Health Organization has raised the global risk from the coronavirus to very high after the number of countries with confirmed cases nearly doubled from 29 to 50 since Monday. Both Connecticut and New Jersey health officials say they have received testing kits from the Centers for Disease Control, allowing state labs to test patients locally. This allows for a faster diagnosis. So far, again, no one has tested positive in the tri-state area. As these concerns persist, the stock market ended the week with more losses, making this week the worst on Wall Street since the 2008 financial crisis. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed the day down more than 300 points. The S&P also down about 25, and the NASDAQ basically broke even. Locally, preparations are being made for a potential coronavirus outbreak. CBS 2's Dick Brennan here now with more on that story. Dick.
Well, Dana, Governor Cuomo likened the situation to a storm forecast. You don't always know where or when it might hit, but you have to be ready. New York is bracing for the coronavirus, and Governor Cuomo says it's coming sooner or later.
We will have people who test positive. You cannot hermetically seal the United States of America. You're New York.
The governor says yesterday he spoke with Vice President Mike Pence, who's managing the national response, and the vice president says he appreciates the state and federal cooperation.
We've screened 47,000 people through airports around the country, and in my conversations with the governor of New York, the governor of California, we expressed our gratitude to them and to other governors in states that have been participating in a great partnership.
So far in New York State, 27 people have tested negative for the virus, but one case in New York City is still pending. The health commissioner says we'll get word in the next 24 to 36 hours, and they're ready for the next step if the person tests positive.
So this individual, we would communicate with the people that he has come in contact with. We would find out the places that he or she has traveled, and then work from there. We've got disease detectives that do this all the time to contain it.
Medical experts say it's time to get ready for things getting worse.
There will be quarantines in this country. It's not if, but it's when and where. And we're all going to have to prepare for it.
And that means you need to know your company's work-from-home capabilities and to be aware your kids may have to school at home. Also, stock up on a week's worth of dry food. Our unscientific check of local stores showed little panic buying, but at some places like Pasture Pharmacy in Midtown, anything that kills germs is selling fast, along with masks.
Can't keep them on the shelf. We've sold over 2,000 masks in the last, I would say, within a week.
Now, while both Connecticut and New Jersey are able to administer their own tests, local testing has not yet been approved in New York. The state health department says the testing kits sent from the CDC were not accurate. They now have new test kits and believe the feds will give the state the green light very soon. Dana.
All right. Thank you, Dick. We have much more on the coronavirus outbreak at CBSNewYork.com. You'll find a special section with coronavirus hotline numbers and information from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.